Think of your mother. Now think of your father. Think of your father, everyone. Think of your father. Think of your teachers now. Think of your teachers. Now close your eyes. Now let's all together, we'll say Om 3 times. Say with me, along with me, okay? Now let's all start. Now everyone here, do repeat after me. When I say first, after that you repeat. Om Gham Ganapate Namaha. 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 Om Gham Ganapate